Hello, welcome to my CyberPanel video training series. Today, I'm going to show you how you can enable SSL connection or HTTPS connection. Even if you don't have problems with your SSL, it's still important to watch this video because you might face this issue later with your CyberPanel. Alright, so we're going to redirect HTTP to HTTPS and we're going to force CyberPanel to redirect us to the secured version of our website. For this, let's log in to our CyberPanel. And remember, in my last video I showed you how to add host name, and that's what we have here. Instead of this logging in with this IP, we now have a host name which is more secure. So now we're going to enter our details and log in. So now the way we force SSL is we want to create a website for our host name. It's server1.mytutorials.xyz. This is not going to be a real website. We're not going to host anything there. We want to just create a website, and that will help us get some options to redirect the HTTP connection to HTTPS. So the way we do that is go to websites and we're going to create websites. But first, let's see if we have other websites. And this is a new installation of CyberPanel. We don't have anything there. So I'll just click on create website. From there, I'll pick a plan. So pick the default plan, owner, admin, scroll down, enter your host name, which is this one. So I'll just copy it from here to here. All right, copy it, paste it here. Remove the HTTPS, enter an email you have access to. All right, this is not a real website. You can even enter any random email there, but it's important to have access to that email in case. So just enter your email. I've entered my demo email. Click and pick a PHP version. I'll go with the latest. From there, click on create mail domain if only you want, but I don't need it for now. So just click on create website and wait for website to create. All right, so now we have problem here. There's some characters that are not allowed. The data supplied is not accepted. The following characters are not allowed. So let's go back and check. Oh, that's it. We remove it and proceed again. Setting up SSL. And success, our website is successfully created. So now what we want to do is we want to click on list websites. From here we'll click on manage. You see there's an issue SSL here, so just click on manage. And success, our website is successfully created. So now what we want to do is we want to click on list websites. From here we'll click on manage. You see there's an issue SSL here, so just click on manage. Okay, so after clicking on that manage, you now have a lot of options. See, your SSL will expire in 89 days. Free SSLs expire in every 3 months. That's 90 days. Scroll down, continue scrolling, add SSL, but that's not the option we want. What we want to do is click on, let me check. Okay, so click on rewrite rules. Click here and we're going to force HTTP to HTTPS. Scroll down a bit and click on save rewrite rules and wait patiently and configuration save, and that's all. Now your website is going to redirect itself from HTTP to HTTPS, and that is enough. And that is all for this video. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to do other advanced security and setup for CyberPanel.